There is a sound rising across Nigeria. It is not the sound of protest, it is the sound of purpose. The sound of young people who have waited long enough. For years, we told our youth that they are the leaders of tomorrow. But tomorrow never came, and yet they did not give up. Across this country, I have seen them. I have seen young men welding hope into metal in local workshops. I have seen young women creating content, learning tech skills under leaking roofs. I have seen graduates driving cabs by day and building dreams by night. These are the people who keep this nation alive. These are the people I speak for. These are the people I will serve. Our youths are not lazy. They are locked out. Locked out of opportunity. Locked out of power. Locked out of a system built to silence their energy and their ideas. But now, that must change. Because Nigeria cannot rise if her youth are kneeling. We will create a new path, one built on truth, unity, and rebuilding. A truth that says you deserve a fair chance. A unity that connects the street vendor to the startup founder. A rebuilding that puts tools, training, and trust back into the hands of our young people. We will reform education to prepare youth for real work, not just paper dreams. We will support innovation hubs in every region, places where ideas become jobs. We will partner with the private sector to empower youth entrepreneurs with access to funds, not favors. We will give local governments the freedom to invest directly in their young minds. Because every youth deserves more than survival. Every Nigerian youth deserves more than survival. They deserve a future. We all deserve a future. When a nation ignores its youth, it builds prisons. And that's exactly what we are seeing today. But when it empowers them, it builds prosperity. That is why I am running for president. To open the doors that have been closed too long. To build trust where corruption destroyed hope. To unite a people tired of empty promises. This is not just a campaign. It is a movement. It is a call to every young Nigerian who ever said, I could do more if only they gave me a chance. Your chance is now. Your voice is power. Your hands are strength. Your future is waiting. It is Nigeria's turn. It is our turn. They've had their turn. They've had their turn, and we all can see what we have. It is our turn. It is Nigeria's turn. A turn toward truth. A turn toward unity. A turn toward rebuilding. So rise, my people, not in anger, but in purpose. Rise, not for me, for us. Because when the youth of Nigeria rise together, no power can stand against their light.